First-time right product design can significantly reduce costs. To assist CAD designers in their tasks, Flanders Make has developed a feature extraction on CAD files, allowing designers to automatically evaluate production constraints, reduce the number of design cycles, and access expert production knowledge. The software automatically detects areas to be checked, verifies the constraints, and visualizes the outcome, all in just a few seconds, and with accuracy to match the expert's evaluation. At Reynaers Aluminium, this is speeding up the design cycle per profile by up to 2 weeks. Here, you can experience the software for yourself and see how easy it is to get it right first time.